How to enable auto analyze calls on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable it easy and quick. First, just open Truecaller and then click on your profile here, and after that click settings and then click this one, privacy center. Now here we'll find it. Now just allow it, click on it, and that's it. As you see, allow Truecaller to analyze my call, and it's allowed, and you can disable it again by one click, and that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.